Hello students, welcome to the channel of Mukesh's Group Tuitions. So here we study trigonometry today, the standard trigonometric functions. So in a right angle triangle ABC, suppose you take a right angle triangle ABC, where angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So let's draw triangle ABC. Here angle B I have taken 90 degrees. So the triangle is ABC, angle ABC is 90 degrees. Now let's take the angle C as theta. So we assume that angle C as theta. Now the side opposite to 90 degrees is called dash. What is the side opposite to 90 degrees called as? It's called as hypotenuse. Okay. Now theta na angle C theta है उसका opposite side कौन है? Opposite side, that's AB. So AB is the opposite side of theta and BC is the adjacent side of theta. BC is the adjacent side of theta. Now we define the basic ratios here. So you know the trigonometric basic ratios are sine ratio SINE, cosine ratio COSINE and tangent ratio. The first three ratios are sine, cosine and tangent ratios. इसको हम लोग short में लिखते हैं SIN. Don't pronounce that as sin. Okay, it is sine. The second ratio is cos, COS. We short में हम लोग cos लिखते हैं उसको. And the third ratio tangent is written as tan. So your basic ratios are sine ratio, cos ratio, tan ratio. Okay, we define them now. So we write the basic definitions here. The sine of any angle, sine of theta is equal to opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse. Sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Basically opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse. So here it's going to be AB upon hypotenuse is AC. So AB upon AC. So sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now let's write the second ratio, cos theta. So cos ka definition, cos theta is equal to adjacent side of theta upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side of theta upon hypotenuse. So here the adjacent side is BC, है ना? BC upon AC. So cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, that's equal to BC upon AC. The third ratio is tangent ratio. We can write tan theta. Tan का definition है opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. So opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. So it becomes AB upon BC. AB upon BC. So it's AB upon BC. Tan theta is AB upon BC. Now when you check here, sin theta is what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse and tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. Now if you divide sin and cos, if you divide sin theta and cos theta, if you divide sin theta and cos theta, you will get hypotenuse gets cancelled, right? So you will get tan theta. So just remember this. Then you divide sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta, you will get tan theta. So this is one more formula जो आगे जाके पढ़ने वाले. अभी से याद रखो, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta और sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Okay. Now we study the reciprocal of those three ratios. We have three more ratios. They are the reciprocals of the previous ratios. So we write the reciprocal formulae. Reciprocal formulae. This gives introduction to three more ratios. Reciprocal formula में तुम्हारा नया तीन ratios और है. So those ratios are cosecant ratio, then secant ratio and cotangent ratio. Cotangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. इसको हम लोग short में लिखेंगे cosec. Cosecant is written as cosec. Secant is written as sec. And cotangent is written as cot. C-O-T, cot. So cosec, sec and cot. Cosec, sec and cot. Okay. Now cosec is the reciprocal of sine theta. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine theta. So you get a formula, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta, or sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Cosec theta और क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या मिलेगा? Cosec theta into sin theta is equal to 1. Cosec theta into sin theta is equal to 1. Okay, so remember that's important. Cosec is 1 upon sine or sine is 1 upon cosec, or cosec theta into sin theta is equal to 1. तो यहाँ पे ना नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला है, सेकेंड फॉर्मूला है sec theta का. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Okay, so sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, or cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, or again cross multiply, you will get sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. That's the second formula. Okay, यहाँ पे याद रखो सब लोग, वो sec और cos रेसिप्रोकल है. cos को बहुत सारे बच्चे लोग लिखते हैं 1 upon sin theta. That is wrong. cos theta is not 1 upon sin theta. cos theta is 1 upon sec theta. Sec theta, c का s का c है. सो बेसिक याद रखो. फिर cosec 1 upon sec है, sec. cosec 1 upon sin नहीं है. द थर्ड रेसिप्रोकल फॉर्मूला इज cot. cot theta tan का रेसिप्रोकल है. सो cot is 1 upon tan theta. cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, or tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, or if you cross multiply, then you get cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. So these are the reciprocal formulas. अच्छा से याद रखो सब लोग. cosec theta बेसिक डेफिनेशन से यहाँ देखते हैं एक बार. साइन थीटा ऑपोजिट अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. कॉस थीटा इज एडजेसेंट साइड अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. टैन थीटा इज ऑपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट. देन कोसेक इज 1 अपॉन साइन एंड साइन इज 1 अपॉन कोसेक थीटा. सेक थीटा इज 1 अपॉन कॉस थीटा, और कॉस थीटा इज 1 अपॉन सेक थीटा. ओके, कॉस इज नॉट 1 अपॉन साइन, इट इज सेक. एंड द लास्ट वन कॉट थीटा इज 1 अपॉन टैन थीटा, और टैन थीटा इज 1 अपॉन कॉट थीटा. Now we have one more formula how to convert tan and sin and cos. जो मैंने बताया था. If you divide sin and cos you get tan. So you can write tan theta is also equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. And इसका उल्टा cot आएगा. Therefore cot theta will be equal to reciprocal of this. It will become cos theta upon sin theta. Cos theta upon sin theta. Clear? So tan is sin upon cos, and cot is cos upon sin. All these formulas, reciprocal formulas और ये tan cot का formula, these formulas are applicable for all powers of the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so you can apply them for all powers of trigonometric ratios. All powers or indices. Now what do you mean by all powers of trigonometric ratios? That means if you have tan square theta, so you can write that as sin square theta upon cos square theta. Sin square theta upon cos square theta. Okay, then you have cot cube theta, so you will be writing cos cube theta. Cos cube theta upon sin cube theta. Cos cube theta upon sin cube theta. If you have root of tan theta, इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं root of sin theta upon root of cos theta. Root of sin theta upon root of cos theta. Clear? So this formula cosec का 1 upon sin, cosec square आया तो 1 upon sin square हो जाएगा. sin cube आया तो 1 upon cosec cube हो जाएगा. Okay? So ये formula सब trigonometric ratio सब powers के लिए applicable है. Square, cube, root, power 4, power 5, they are applicable for all powers of trigonometric ratios. All powers of trigonometric ratios. Clear? Now we study very important is identities now. Now before you start the identities, remember the identities are applicable only for squares of the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so they are applicable in squares of the trigonometric ratios. खाली square में applicable है. I'll tell you how squares में. The first formula is, the first identity is sin square theta The first identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So you should be able to identify in all the different forms. So sine square कितना होगा 1 minus cos square theta, right? And cos square theta कितना होगा 1 minus sine square theta. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Now don't write sine theta plus cos theta equal to 1. That's wrong. Okay, sine cube theta plus cos cube theta is not equal to 1. सिर्फ स्क्वायर में वो आइडेंटिटी एप्लीकेबल है. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके, क्यूब के लिए पावर 4 के लिए एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. और सब फॉर्म्स याद रखो. साइन स्क्वायर इज 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर इज 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर. द सेकेंड आइडेंटिटी इज 1 प्लस tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. तो इसमें से tan square theta कितना होगा? tan square theta will be equal to sec square theta minus 1, or you can write sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Clear? The third identity is 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Or you can write cot square theta. You can write cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1, or cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. एक बार देख लो. साइन स्क्वायर प्लस cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. और सब फॉर्म्स याद रखो. That's very important. Now you're supposed to know trigonometric table of certain standard angles. तो उसके लिए पहले angles पता होना चाहिए. Okay? So you know acute angles, obtuse angles, but the measurement, angles are measured. You have two units here. So angles are measured in degrees. Angles are measured in degrees and radians. Angles are measured in degrees. Degrees तुम लोग देखा है 90 degrees, 30 degrees and all, है ना. उसका system, that system is called as sexagesimal system. In sexagesimal system, the angles are measured in degrees. Like you had systems in physics also, SI system, MK system, CGS system, है ना. So that degrees का symbol is we put a circle above the value there, and the other unit is radians. उसके लिए C लिखने का, छोटा C. इसका system is called as circular system. Circular system. So degrees and radians, and these are the corresponding system. और systems का नाम याद है तो चलेगा, नहीं याद है तो भी चलेगा. So degrees and radians, okay. Now you should know the conversion factors, how to convert. So this is important, to convert degrees into radians. To convert degrees into radians, we multiply by pi upon 180. जब भी डिग्रीज को रेडियंस में कन्वर्ट करना है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय pi upon 180, multiply by pi upon 180, multiply by pi upon 180. So you multiply by pi upon 180. Let's take a few examples here, some standard examples. So angles are measured in degrees and radians. जब भी डिग्रीज को रेडियंस में कन्वर्ट करना है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय पाई अपॉन 180. ओके, डिग्रीज को रेडियंस में कन्वर्ट करना है तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय पाई अपॉन 180, पाई अपॉन 180. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, suppose I take 30 degrees, so it's going to be 30 into pi upon 180. When you make cancellations here, you get pi by 6 radians, pi by 6 radians, pi upon 6 radians. Okay, suppose if I take 45 degrees, so 45 into pi upon 180. Now when you make cancellations, you get pi by 4 radians, pi by 4 radians. If you have 60 degrees, then you can write 60 into pi upon 180. कैंसिल किया तो यू गेट पाई बाई 3 रेडियंस. तो याद रखो पाई बाई 3 आया मतलब 60. सिमिलरली 90 डिग्रीज आएगा तो बोलने का पाई बाई 2 रेडियंस, और पाई बाई 2 आया मतलब 90 डिग्रीज. 180 डिग्रीज आएगा तो पाई रेडियंस, अब पाई आया तो 180 डिग्रीज, 360 डिग्रीज आया तो 2 पाई रेडियंस, और 2 पाई आया तो 360 डिग्रीज, एंड 270 डिग्रीज भी याद रखो 3 पाई बाई 2 रेडियंस, 3 पाई बाई 2 रेडियंस, ओके, 3 पाई बाई 2 रेडियंस. So these are the conversion of degrees to radians. 30 degrees pi by 6, pi by 6 आया तो 30, pi by 4 आया तो 45 and so on. Now उसका उल्टा, to convert radians into degrees now. पहले हम लोग ने degrees को radians में convert किया, right? Now right, to convert radians into degrees, to convert radians into degrees, multiply, उल्टा से multiply करने का. So multiply by 180 upon pi. Multiply by 180 upon pi. To convert radians into degrees, multiply by 180 upon pi. So remember these values. Now you're supposed to know the trigonometric table values, okay? So this conversion factors are important. Now let's draw the trigonometric table of standard values. So you have standard angles, 0 डिग्रीज, 30 डिग्रीज, 45 डिग्रीज, 60 डिग्रीज, 90 डिग्रीज, उनका वैल्यूज़ तो वो भी हम लोग पढ़ा था 9th स्टैंडर्ड में. लेट्स ड्रॉ द टेबल एंड सी दैट यू आर थरो विद द वैल्यूज़ देयर. सो द फर्स्ट we write the values in degrees as well as radians both, okay? Remember the radians values also. First is 0 degrees, then 30 degrees, next was 45 degrees, increasing order में लिखना है, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and we write 180 also now, 180 degrees, okay? So 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. इसका रेडियन वैल्यूज़ बोलो अभी. चलो 30 का 0 को रेडियंस में 0 ही लिखते हैं, 30 को पाई बाय 6 अभी बताया था मैंने, 45 डिग्रीज पाई बाय 4, पाई बाय 4, 60 is पाई बाय 3, 90 is पाई बाय 2 and 180 is pi. Clear? Now we have to find the sine value, cos value and tan value of these standard angles. So you have drawn the table last year also. Let's draw the table and get familiar with the values there. ये सब values बहुत तगड़ा याद रखो. That's very important for all the sums in maths as well as physics also. So we write the sine value, then cos value and then tan value of these angles. So first we write the sine value. So sine theta, sine of 0, sine of 30, sine of 45 and all. Sine 0 is equal to, what is sine 0 ka value? Now tell me, sine 0 ka value is equal to, sine 0 is equal to 0, yes. Sine 30 is half. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, root 3 upon 2. Sine 90 is 1 and sine 180 is 0. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 1, sine 180 is 0. Clear? Now cos में ना, cos में जो 0 है ना साइन का, वो 90 का cos है, जो 30 का साइन है वो 60 का cos है, ओके? और जो 45 डिग्रीज का cos है वही sin 45 ही है. sin 45 cos 45 आर सेम बिकॉज दे आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स ऑफ ईच अदर, ओके? सो यहाँ पे sin 0 0 है ना, तो उधर cos 90 0 हो जाएगा. sin 90 1 था तो cos 0 1 आएगा. क्लियर? फिर 30 का 60 में जाएगा और 60 का 30 में जाएगा और 1 बाई रूट 2 का वैल्यू सेम रहेगा. सो वी राइट द वैल्यूज. cos 0 इज इक्वल टू, cos 0 इज इक्वल टू 1, cos 0 will be equal to 1, cos 30 is equal to root 3 upon 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, cos 60 is half, cos 90 is 0 and cos 180 याद रखो. I'll show you how we got that. It's minus 1. It's minus 1. I'll show you how we got minus 1 in the next lecture. So cos 180 is minus 1. Then how do you find tan theta now? Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So I'll write tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Divided by cos theta. Divide करो 0 upon 1. सबको डिवाइड करने का, तो 0 upon 1 becomes 0. बराबर? इसको डिवाइड किया तो 2 कैंसिल होगा, 1 by root 3 आएगा. इसको कैंसिल किया तो पूरा कैंसिल होगा, 1 आएगा, root 3 मिलेगा. यहाँ पे नॉट डिफाइंड आएगा बिकॉज डिनोमिनेटर में 0 है. सो इट्स नॉट डिफाइंड. सो लेट्स राइट द वैल्यूज गोइंग. सो tan 0 का वैल्यू 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3, tan 90 is not defined because the denominator is 0. So we write not defined, or you can write infinity also. That means not defined. and tan 180 is 0. So see that the stable values are clear to everyone, and please learn the formulas, the values very thoroughly. Once you know these values, you can find sec value, cosec value and cot values also there. Sec, cosec और cot के लिए reciprocal use करने का. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मेरे को cot 60 चाहिए, cot 60 तो 1 अपॉन tan 60 आएगा, है ना. tan 60 का वैल्यू √3 था तो cot 1/√3 हो जाएगा, 1/√3, राइट. अगर हम लोग को है ना cosec 45 डिग्रीज चाहिए तो 1 अपॉन साइन 45 आएगा, है ना. नो साइन 45 1/√2 था, साइन 45 1 इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा √2. क्लियर. सो रेसिप्रोकल यूज करने का, साइन कॉस टैन का reciprocal will be cosec, sec and cot values. So you can go get those values also. So please understand and learn the table and by heart the values thoroughly. The last thing to say about this is now what you have started in 9th standard is complementary angles. Complementary angles or complements of each other. Now what are complementary angles? If the sum of any two angles is 90 degrees, कोई भी दो angles को add करके 90 मिलेगा, they are complements of each other. Okay. So if you take an angle theta, तो उसका complement will be 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. So theta and 90 minus theta, or you can write pi by 2 minus theta. They are complements of each other. 90 minus theta and theta, they are complements of each other. So यहाँ पे theta और 90 minus theta का ratios का भी एक connection है. So the formula says sin theta, sin of theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Sin का cos, cos का sin, tan का cot, cot का tan लेने का. So sin theta is cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta. You can write 90, you can write pi by 2, they are same, you know very well. And cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. इसके ऊपर और एक फॉर्मूला मैं लास्ट में लिखता हूँ. देन sec theta, sec will be cosec and cosec will be sec. So sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta and cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Okay, sin becomes cos, cos becomes sin, tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan, sec cosec. Okay, now we have written a formula tan theta. Now listen this, tan theta into tan of 90 minus theta is also equal to 1 आएगा. अभी कैसे 1 आएगा सुनो. tan theta into tan, what is tan 90 minus theta? cot theta है ना. cot क्या होता है? cot 1 upon tan. tan tan कैंसिल होगा तो आंसर मिलेगा 1. So this is very important. tan theta into tan of 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into tan of 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into tan of 90 minus theta is equal to 1. So please learn the table and all the complementary angle formulas also. So these are the basic trigonometric formulas जो आप लोगों को अच्छे से पढ़ना है. You've studied everything in 9th as well as 10th standard. These are required for the next lecture का sums also. So please study everything and be prepared for the next lecture. In the next lecture we go for standard angle and the later part of trigonometry and sums based on that. Okay. Thank you so much. Please go through all the formulas. Please subscribe the channel, like the channel, comment on the channel, and if you want any doubt, any concept to be cleared, please make a comment and I'll definitely help you. Thank you so much. Take care everyone. Thank you kids. Thank you so much.